Welcome to learncaenow channel. In this tutorial, part modeling of a motor component using PTC-CREO shall be demonstrated. Let us create a solid model of motor component. We shall draw the rear view of the part in the first extrude. Make another extrude using the circle from the first one as reference. Now, we shall make another extrude to the same center point, but with a bigger dimension. Let us create an extrude on the rear side of our last feature. We shall use the circle from the first extrude, and draw a symmetric rectangle on top of it. Let us delete unnecessary lines, and make the extrude. We shall make another extrude on the side of the previous cube as shown on the drawing. We shall invert the extrude to cutting, and let it cut through the cube. Select the previous extrude, and make a dimension pattern from it to 4 cuts. We shall now mirror it to the center plane. Create a flat sunk hole on the center line and front plane. The depth of the sunk should be 0.5 inch remaining from wall. Create a new hole on the front face. Set the reference type to radial, and select the center axis and the center plane. Here we can give the dimensions as radius and angle. To finish, let us create an axis pattern of this hole. Thanks for watching. Kindly comment and subscribe.